Hello, Teekatoo.
Hello.
What should we learn about today?
Let's learn about cows and pigs and horses.
You mean farm animals?
Yeah, let's learn about farm animals.
Okay, let's see what farm animals are on the wheel today.
Yes!
A horse, a rooster, a cow, a goat, a donkey, a pig, a duck, and a rabbit. Remember, kids, only 5 can play peekaboo, but which 5 will it be?
Let's spin the wheel and find out.
Spin the wheel round and round. Hear the sound as it slows right down. A horse!
Did you know horses can sleep standing up? Here we go again.
A rooster!
A rooster is a boy chicken. I wonder what's next.
A cow!
Did you know that there are 1 billion cows in the world? What do you think will be next?
A goat!
A baby goat is called a kid.
Going around one last time. What will be number 5? A donkey!
That's my favorite. Donkeys have excellent memories. Time to hide.
Okay, Teekatoo, you know what to do. Teekatoo, where are you?
Come and find me.
I wonder if he's hiding behind the goat. Should I take a little peek? Oh, Teekatoo, where have you gone? Are you behind the animal whose kids are called kids? No Teekatoo there. I wonder where he could be. Did you just hear something? It sounds like the rustling of a bush. Whoa, did you just see something? Do you think Teekatoo is hiding behind that rooster? Teekatoo, peekaboo, how the tension has thickened. Tell me now, are you behind the boy chicken? Teekatoo, we found you.
Now I'm over here.
It looks like our friend Teekatoo has disappeared again. We're down to 3 farm animals. Shall we take a look behind the cow?
You're getting warmer.
Drats! I was wrong again. Teekatoo, where are you? What was that? It sounded like a splat. Or maybe some thunder or the poot of a cat.
This is so much fun.
Hey kids, can you help me decide? Is he behind the donkey? Or is he behind the horse? You and I have one last choice, of course. Is Teekatoo hiding behind the horse? Teekatoo, we found you. Did you have fun hiding with the farm animals?
I sure did, because they're cute and cuddly and just a little bit stinky, just like my brother.
Will you stick around and play again? There's lots more fun and wheels to spin.
Let's play again.